Welcome to our Upper Room video series. When a church is deeply anchored in prayer, the outreach to the world can span many generations and touch a multitude of lives. Here's the story of how one congregation has used the Upper Room to serve others for more than 60 years.
My name is Irene Bishop Googans from St. Matthew Christian Methodist Episcopal Church in Milwaukee. Back in the 1950s, my mother, Mary Franklin Bishop, started a ministry of giving away copies of the Upper Room. In the 1980s, she asked Sam and Mary Johnson to take over that ministry, and they've been doing it ever since.
When a congregation is anchored in prayer, the concern they feel for others goes far beyond the church's walls. Through the outreach ministries of churches, the Upper Room has reached millions of people in many unexpected places for more than 75 years.
Our church purchases 850 copies of the Upper Room bi-monthly. As you might expect, we share them with new members and with college students. But for many years, we've also sent copies to prisoners and other people needing spiritual encouragement. We also give away copies at our Feed My Sheep meal ministry that serves 7,200 meals each year to Milwaukee's poor and homeless. Any leftover copies are taken to the Milwaukee Rescue Mission. We're so grateful that God has allowed us to use the Upper Room to share a message of hope for more than half a century.
Like the Apostle Paul, St. Matthew Church has faithfully shared Christ's love with students, prisoners, and the poor. This ministry, anchored in prayer, continues to reach thousands of people each year. Until next time, may your prayer life be a firm foundation for sharing God's love.